How I fill in my eyebrows. First I start with NYC eyebrow pencil on the color Sable, and I line underneath my eyebrow to the desired shape I want. Notice I don't start at the inner corner of my eyebrow, but slightly away from it. Then I line on top of my eyebrow connecting the two ends. After I have outlined my eyebrow, I then fill it in with the eyebrow pencil, avoiding the inner corner. With a spoolie, I brush the inner part of the pencil markings to fade it and smooth it a bit. With MAC eyeshadow and an unnamed angle brush, I then fill in my eyebrow where I made the pencil markings. With leftover eyeshadow on the brush, I lightly fill in the inner part of my eyebrow, which gives it a faded effect. With my spoolie again, I then brush the inner part of my eyebrow to fade it and smooth out any harshness. Then with MAC Studio Finish Concealer and an unnamed flat brush, I underline my eyebrow to give it a more defined shape and to clean it up. I also do the same with the top of my eyebrow. After I just continue to clean up on the eyebrow and blend out any concealer I have applied. And that's it. Thanks for watching.